Hello, Arthur here. The first trillionaire will be the person who mines asteroids. There are many rare and valuable resources contained within asteroids, such as platinum and neodymium. These are used in many of the technologies we use today, such as smartphones and laptops, and will even be used in the future to build bases on the Moon and Mars. One asteroid, 16 Psyche, is estimated alone to contain $10,000 quadrillion worth of materials. If you want to learn more about asteroid mining, check the links in the description. It is a great path to go down for anyone aspiring to fame and fortune. But what is the cost of the entire universe? If someone outside the universe, possibly an interdimensional collector of universes or a godlike being, were to buy the universe, how much would it go for? First off, we're going to have to define the size of the universe. Many believe that the universe is infinite, and if that is the case, then it would contain infinite matter and be infinitely expensive. Even if the universe is finite, no one truly knows how big the universe is. So let's instead focus on the observable universe. There is estimated to be a total of 10 to the 80 atoms in the observable universe. Taking into account the prices of 1 kilogram of each chemical element and the percentage abundance of each of these elements in the universe, we can calculate that the price of the universe, if we were to isolate all the elements, would be 4 million trillion pounds. With that kind of money, you could solve all of the world's problems, fund space exploration, buy all the luxury cars and cars you could ever want, and still have 4 million trillion pounds in your bank. But now, instead of trying to determine the price based on isolating the physical matter contained within the universe, let's work out our universe's subjective value as a whole compared to other universes. Much in the same way, a work of art's price is not determined by the elements that created it, but rather its quality and history. The value of many things here on Earth is more than the sum of its pasts. If the multiverse exists, our universe may be special or unique within that multiverse, or it may just be one of many universes similar to it. Perhaps most universes are unable to support life, or perhaps most universes are unable to even support stars and galaxies and are instead a quantum soup. Or perhaps most universes can support life, but the way our universe works seems strange to someone from another universe. Maybe in most universes, space is white and the stars are black, or something else entirely weird. If our universe is unique, then because of supply and demand, it would have a higher price, and if universes like ours are common, it would have a lower price. This is all very speculative and relies on many assumptions, such as the universe having an intrinsic value, the existence of multiple universes, and the belief that intergalactic collectors even exist. So now let's imagine that the universe is being bought by someone inside the universe. Right off the bat, we must say that no countries, corporations, or private individuals on Earth have laid claim to space. And in fact, space has been ruled the common heritage of mankind, meaning it belongs to everyone. But alien civilizations may not have the same laws, For all we know, there could already be an alien out there who owns the universe, and in such has complete ownership of all of the resources of all of the planets. With likely billions of advanced civilizations in the universe, there could be not one, but many individuals out there who have also declared their ownership of the universe. And there may even be intergalactic conflicts over ownership of the universe or regions of the universe. An assumption we've been making here, though, is that interdimensional beings or aliens have concepts like money or owning things. And even if they did, why would they use money? If beings with technology, hundreds, even thousands of years ahead of what we have today, wanted to own a planet, they wouldn't have to pay for it. They could just go in with their high-tech alien guns blazing and take what they wanted. The only real possible pushback they could get is from other advanced individuals who may go to war over territory disputes. Another major assumption we are making is that aliens exist. The Fermi paradox states that with billions and billions of stars out there, and potentially billions of Earth-like planets, many of which may have given a rise to intelligent life, many of those intelligent life forms could be thousands, maybe even millions of years ahead of us. Why don't we see or hear anything? Some have suggested that advanced civilizations achieve some kind of extinction-causing technology, such as AI or nuclear weapons or advanced computer simulations, that prevents them from becoming interstellar. Or maybe advanced civilizations think sending messages out into space is dumb and calling to attention to yourself, like waving at a lion to come and eat you. Or maybe we have been visited in the past and are still being visited to this day, as Israeli General Haim Shed has recently said. The question of what the universe is worth is mostly hypothetical, but asking it gives us insight into questions about the multiverse and our own place in the universe. Thanks for watching.